Hello, welcome to BR Learning School. Today we learning alphabets and counting numbers. Sky blue color, purple color, green color, red color, pink color, orange color, blue color, yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Pink color 1, pink color 1, O, N, E. Sky blue color 2, T, W, O, 2. Red color 3, T, H, R, E, E. Green color 4, F, O, U, R. Purple color 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Blue color A for apple, A for arrow. Orange color B for ball, B for book. Yellow color C for crow, C for cow. Yellow color C. Blue color D for dog, D for doll. Pink color E for elephant, E for eagle. Pink color 1, O, N, E. Pink color 1. Purple color 2, T, W, O. Purple color 2. Green color 3, T, H, R, E, E. Red color 4, F, O, U, R, 4. Sky blue color 5, F, I, V, E. Sky blue color 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like and subscribe our channel.